Hello everyone, this is Anji and welcome to our world. I think everyone knows that this is holy month of Kartikam and on coming 30th of this month we will have both Kartika Somvaram, that is Monday, and Kartika Paurnami on same day. On that occasion I want to share a memory a few months old, that is before all this lockdown and pandemic. My friends and me, a total of 5 members, had witnessed the Adiyogi statue at Isha Foundation, which is in Coimbatore, on the eve of Mahashivaratri in February. As we are staying in Hyderabad, we took a train from Secunderabad to Coimbatore along with our friends Venki, Devi, and Malli. And here we are at Coimbatore railway station. Here we are at hotel, which is opposite to railway station. చిన్నగా రావంటారు చిన్నగా నమ్ముతారు ఇది దీని చెప్పారా చెప్పారా చెప్పలేదు అలాగా ఏడా సూర్యుడి దెబ్బకి ఇది బొక్కబడి అంతే ఇదే దిగుతుంది కదా బోలో భాయ్ బోలో ఒరే నేను తమిళనాడు చదిగా తమిళ మాట్లాడుకున్నా తమిళనాడు మాట్లాడాలి చెప్ప ఇప్పుడు బోలో బోలో In the afternoon, we came for lunch at a nearby hotel. For the dinner, Venki opted to eat kuttu parota, as it is very special in Tamil Nadu. After our dinner, we came to Coimbatore railway station again. It's very near to our hotel to capture some photos with the train behind, as you can see it now. We ended that night in a positive note before going to Isha Foundation. We took an auto to Isha Foundation, as buses are too rush and it's almost 30 kilometers from our hotel and you can't go by foot, so we took an auto. And here we are, the Isha Foundation entrance. Actually, in normal days, we can't see these many pilgrims, but that day is any not normal day. It's Mahashivaratri, so it's very crowded. Even Shuryatal, which is used to do holy bath with mercury in it, is also very busy, as you can see it. As we are inching close to Dhyanalinga and Linga Bhairavi Mata, all we can witness the peace. Not only peace, but also goosebumps. Both peace and goosebumps, both at a time. We can feel that only at Shiva temples. And here you can see a pond which is full of lotus. Beautiful, isn't it? When I first came here, which was in December 2019, I can barely see a group of people here at Isha Foundation, but now it's all noise, but in a good way. Songs everywhere, which gives goosebumps. Feels like a different world altogether. Here is our Malli, Mr. Mara Mallikarjun Reddy. It's all fun around with him. Here we are for the blessings of Linga Bhairavi Mata. So we are about to get into queue. It's very peaceful here. No discussions, no talking, no more noise, only peace. You feel peace in the air. Here we are after taking blessings from Dhyana Linga, which we count to picture as, of course. And now we are going to Adiyogi statue for the night celebrations, and also you can see we got our bands in time for the Godavari category to do Jagaram for the night in the presence of our Lord Shiva himself. And here you can see the setup before the Adiyogi statue. As you can see, chairs and different categories. Sadhguru divided this seating system into different rivers. That is in the name of rivers, as he started rally for rivers. Here is the mighty Adiyogi statue, the Lord Shiva himself. As you can see, these are the Velangari hills around the Adiyogi statue and also around Isha Foundation. This is very, very beautiful in the springtime, that is in November and December.
Namaskaram.
The best and most important part of Mahashivratri Jagaram at Isha Foundation in the presence of Adiyogi is leisure show. As you can see, it's very, very, very beautiful. You can find a lot of YouTube videos about that. Here is our own Sadguru came to cheer the people and wake them up from the sleep. As we know, Jagaram is nothing but we must not sleep for the entire night, and we are in the presence of Adiyogi, the Lord Shiva himself. So, there are a lot of programs, and people tend to tire and tend to sleep without their knowledge. So, Sadguru In between programs, Sadhguru came and cheer the people. So don't sleep. Be in the presence of Lord Shiva and take blessings from him. And it's been a very great night, and it's almost 5 a.m. in the morning, and still people are very very energetic and still dancing for the songs, for the music. And but as you can see, there are a lot of people, almost lakhs of people. So if you want to go back, you must be out of there as early as possible. That means 5 a.m. is the perfect time to go back from the Isha Foundation, that is from Adiyogi statue to our hotel. But I'm not able to record it, but it's been a hell of experience from for going back to hotel from Isha Foundation. It took almost 2 hours. No, not 2 hours. It's almost took 4 hours to reach a hotel, as it's very 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 crowded. Before we came to a railway station, we visited a mall for the time being, and here is our Devi sitting for the pose, and that is my Godavari band, and here we are coming back to Secunderabad. And special thanks to Harish for making this happen. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. And have a great day. Peace.